0.01% that's visible, which is made of atoms, 2 trillion galaxies, as you know that atoms made of particles, and particles, when you observe them, they have a location in space-time. When you don't observe them, they disappear into waves. They're actually mathematical constructs. They don't actually exist anywhere except in mathematical imagination. So bottom line, what's the universe made of? We don't know. And the only guess we have, it's made of nothing. So, which leads to the second open question in science, which is, if it's made of nothing, why does it look like this? Why does it look like you, me, this table, the stars, the galaxies, the mountains, and the...
Why do I have so many feelings if we're made of nothing?
That's right. So that's called the hard problem of consciousness. David Chalmers, who's coined that word, professor of philosophy now in NYU, formerly Australia, he coined that word, the hard problem of consciousness. So Plato called it the mind-body problem. He was an idealist. He said there's no universe, it's just ideas about the universe we have. But right now, the latest conversation, which I totally support, by the way, and this is where it gets very kind of mind-boggling, there's no universe. Okay, the universe is a cosmic dream. It's a simulation from a digital workshop outside of space and time. If you want, call it God or cosmic consciousness or the mystery. That digital workshop is throwing out zeros and ones, and that is what we experience as the visible universe.
Is this right? What is right and what is wrong? That's a very subjective question, but the scientists have now come to the conclusion, according to what I hear, that universe is a construct in the human consciousness with all this knowledge in science and metaphysics, which is not, of course, science. What is metaphysics is a non-physical world which the theology tries to explore. But anyways, with all the scientists and skeptics, they have come to this conclusion. Well, it's interesting because even before they came to conclusion, not that I'm somebody with a profound mind, but I'm just an average Joe. But I always felt everything exists in you, the consciousness, right? When whether it's a social construct or psychological construct or whatever that is. So when you're dead, your universe is gone with you. It may exist to the others. That's my view.